So I have a book called Superbold, not about football. It's got a D at the end, and that's on Amazon in hardcover. And it's me reading the audio book, and there's a Kindle version of it. It's the last third of the book is exercises, boldness exercises that start pre-verbally and work all the way up to some crazy stuff that you do gradually, but you challenge yourself, you know where to go next. So that's one way is with the book. If you have an organization and you say, I really wish my team were bolder. I wish my sales force were bolder because prospecting takes boldness. Closing takes boldness. Talking about the competition takes boldness. Anybody can be better at sales if they dial up their boldness. So I'll coach a sales team. I've done lectures for a whole organization and they said, all right, the theme for next year is going to be boldness, and the whole team, every department gets behind it, and they have weekly meetings saying, what's our bold goal? What's the bold action the team's going to take, whether it's accounting or marketing or HR. And so I love working with companies. And, with high level executives, I'll do individually coach some of them, but they got to be coachable. They got to, if I find that they're not stretching themselves, they just want me to fix everybody else in their organization. And I know they're the problem. Then I'm just going to say, you're the problem. When you want to work on you, that's when we'll work together.
So obviously, so if they want the book, they go out to Amazon. If they want to know more about you and your speaking and your coaching, where should they go?
FredJoyal.com.